You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is p equals -22. Let's solve it step by step. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the p. Multiply both sides by 11. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the p into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is p equals -22.